What do you want? I mean, just tell me what your plan. Like, what do you want to do?
Box shot. I mean, all right. First things first, dude.
I mean, so what is this thing, man? This is just a fire pit?
Firepit.
Looks pretty big.
It's huge.
That's doesn't look bad, man. It says the best fire pit ever. Exceeded my expectations. All right, these guys look like they're having fun. Look at these happy people. Not very diverse, but it's a good looking fire pit.
Nah, anyone can use it.
Anyway, okay. Cool. You got a bundle of sticks. Hardwood. Cool. All right.
Did you get this thing?
Oh, boy.
Did you get the shield?
Shield, that's nice, man.
Come on, man. We don't want any kids getting sparks. I don't want any kid losing an eye. City barrel.
Yeah.
Good vibes only.
You sure you should be drinking before you light a fire?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Dude, my whole life I've been making bad decisions.
Might as well.
I'll start now. Let's see what this is about.
Okay. Good vibes.
Great vibes.
How about the camera guy?
Yeah, he needs some.
He could use some too.
That is outstanding.
Amarillo. Huh. Okay.
Dude, City Barrel did it again.
I mean, let's be honest.
All right, you ready, man?
Pretty cool.
Truthfully, I have no idea what this thing looks like inside. I've seen it online. I'm excited about it. I don't know. Just want to burn some wood.
Okay.
Let's get into it.
Do it.
Oh my god, I need like 30 more of these. Very echoey. All right.
Oh! That's cool.
How to use it? Correct, incorrect. All right, so the lip goes the other way. All right, we'll come back to this.
Got it. Check.
Oh, the lip. That looks safe. I believe this is the stand.
Nice.
That's gonna go underneath it. Looks like there's a sticker in there. They packed it good.
Last thing you want is a bunch of big old dings and dents.
Nope. No dents. Very well packed.
You need some help? That thing doesn't look light.
Here we go.
Cool.
Gosh.
Do you want some help?
Nah. No way.
Okay. Oh! Kapow!
Got it.
Okay.
Okay. All right, back to this.
Sweet.
So here is the stand.
Right on.
They come two ways. You can get it with the bundle that comes with the stand. I don't think if you're just burning it on the, I think if you're burning it on your deck,
Yeah.
wood, something,
Yeah.
you definitely need this. It keeps the bottom away from the deck. It keeps the airflow to keep your deck safe. I think on concrete, you don't need it. You're fine without it.
Yeah.
I bought it at Shields actually, and it came with this bundle. So let's get it here. So this thing actually also comes with a handle that I'm gonna buy.
Okay.
It helps it make it real easy to pick it up and kind of get the ash out.
Okay.
I didn't think
Nice.
I needed it, but now in hindsight, I thought there was maybe a lip right here. There's
Yeah.
not.
How heavy is that thing? Like, what do we think?
Dude, it's pretty stout.
Ah, that's cool. It's got a cool little logo on it. Nice. All right.
So this appears to nest right under there.
Cool.
And here we have the lip that fits perfectly
That's cool.
right on top.
I mean, the craftsmanship is money. I mean, it's cool.
Yeah, it's. I mean,
It's
listen,
well
this
made.
thing is sturdy. It's great. Here, come over here real quick.
Yeah.
So looking straight down, you got all the ventilation. You got all these holes right there. So they say you load it up with the wood, and the airflow has the fire coming out here, and it really gives you a pretty stout fire.
I mean, this thing's big. Throw one of those things of wood in there just to show how big this thing is. 'Cause it's a monster.
I mean,
Yeah.
this is just I just grabbed a grocery store real quick.
Yeah. No, but that's
Thing of
huge.
wood.
That thing probably has 10 logs in it. I mean, that's big. Do they make smaller ones of these things or what?
I think they have 3 sizes of the solo stove. This one's actually the biggest. I figure bigger's always better. I don't know.
Yep.
Hopefully it is. I mean, you could easily fit 6, 8 chairs around this thing. And I believe that if you keep it pretty loaded with wood,
Yeah.
it'll keep the smoke down like they talk about. They make it smokeless. And
Yep.
as long as you have ventilation going through it, I think if you're using really wet, crappy wood, that's where all the smoke comes from.
Yeah.
So if this stuff happens to say kiln dried, I don't know if that's necessary, but that's what they say. Didn't work. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this thing is major.
All right. So what's the over/under you actually use this thing?
This?
I mean, it's cool. It keeps people safe or whatever. But
So truthfully, I think if there's a bunch of adults hanging out, I probably won't use it.
yeah.
I'm planning on having this thing out for Halloween on the front, and there's gonna be little kids running around. I think
Yeah.
it's important. Truthfully, I think that if you are gonna have little kids, it's probably important to keep everyone safe.
Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. Oh, nice. And so then this thing can pop out. Nice. Solid. Okay.
It does come because, I mean, obviously, once this thing gets rolling
Yep.
and you got a huge fire coming out of it,
Oh, right on.
you're gonna need these guys to stick under here.
Gotcha. That makes sense.
to take
Cool.
this top part off.
Yep. Good. That's great.
So this just sits right there, just nests right there. Truthfully, if you have little kids around this thing, I mean, firewood cracks, pops. You don't need that. I don't need anyone losing an eye. What's wrong?
Nothing. It's just it's a quality product. Like it's well made.
And then you just take this off to load more wood. No.
Listen, first time.
You remember your first time.
It's not a big deal.
But
And fun.
we're gonna get it all set up, and yeah, we're gonna test this thing tonight.
Okay. Let me get it going. All right. So, yeah, that seems safe.
Totally unsafe. Ready?
Yeah. All right. So what did you do? You got a nice little kindling. You got it crisscrossed.
Right.
Fire it up. Homemade tumbleweed. We'll see how this goes. Let me take a seat. $1 million. Shout out to Mendel's dad.
Dude, look at that.
That's pretty impressive. Like,
Come on, I gotta sit. This is so good that I actually have to send a picture
who are you sending it to?
to my brother.
Okay.
He has no faith.
No.
Like, this is.
He would have given up on us at the cardboard attempt.
I would have given up on us.
Yeah. I mean, listen, it's. I thought we were going to have to call somebody.
It's a little high, still a little smoky, but
Yep.
I think it's gonna.
Yeah, no, this thing's in fuego already. And what did it take? Like, it's been like 2 minutes?
2 seconds.
Yeah, unbelievable.
It's pretty good, right?
I mean,
I guess I can't return it now. You need to look at it from the other end because that is not straight.
oh, sorry.
Sorry.
I would make 0 attempts to put that on yet. It is so hot. You gotta let it ride. Okay, all right.